Hi guys, so it's me again, and please don't forget to like and share. And today I'm gonna show you what I'm going to have for dinner as living alone, so I can look back later what I have. So first of all, I just added my tomatoes, onion, garlic, and soy sauce. And after that, guys, I'm just going to add my bay leaf and also my meat. It's still frozen, so I'm just gonna defrost it by cooking it because it's already 9 p.m. I'm so hungry, so I just go with it. And also, guys, I'm just adding my apple cider vinegar. Also, if you don't have any apple cider vinegar, you can use any vinegar you have at your house. And also, I'm just going to add some my oyster sauce. At the same time, guys, I don't have any measurement with my oyster sauce with all the ingredients that I have. So I'm just gonna mix it until it's fully incorporated. And after that, guys, I just added my ground